Right now, your AirPods Pro stink. You don't even know your ears are in pain.
Ah!
Don't be like this guy. Take a second and think about your precious little music listeners. Why would you want to put something that feels like a medical glove in your ear? Check out these bad boys. Dekoni Audio's new ear tips for the AirPods Pro. You could caress your ear canal with that soft, supple memory foam goodness. Tiny ears? We got a size for that. Regular ears? We got you covered. Large ears? We ain't forget about you. You don't know your ear's size? We've got just the fit. Now, let's take a look and see what makes the Bulletz better. You see this guy over here? He's some sort of engineer or something. He does all the product testing. We spent a ton of time testing a bunch of different things like foam expansion, seal, and noise cancellation. You see these squiggles? That means science is happening. You did wash those, right? Anyways, you definitely trust this guy. He's got a beard that makes him audio hipster. See, this is what makes the Kony Bulletz the bestest. We spent a lot of time concocting the right foam and springing this to fit your beautiful ears. Go head over to DekoniAudio.com to go pick up your pair today. Now, let's forget all this science stuff and dive into your deepest fears. Now you're running away from that axe murderer while you're jamming out. But oh no! Half your $250 AirPods just flew right out your ear. Grab some Dekoni Bulletz and never lose that AirPod again. Mom's yelling at you while you're trying to get intimate with your music, but your noise canceling isn't doing the job? With Dekoni's superior noise cancellation, you'll never have to hear the nagging of your loved ones again. Dekoni Bulletz are washable, so get rid of those golden goobers and impress your local audio hipster. You can even sleep in your Dekoni Bulletz. Shh. Check out what these audio divas have to say.
They make them feel a whole lot more secure in my ears and are just as comfortable as the default tips.
The tip installation was simple and the fit is much better than stock.
Don't forget, Dekoni Bulletz for the AirPods Pro are available at DekoniAudio.com and other fine retailers. Go find your fit today. Okay, ready? Grab some Dekoni Bulletz and never hear the nagging of your loved ones again.
No. It's Dekoni.
Dekoni.
It's a long O. You got it. So
Okay.
Ko.
Ni.
Dekoni.
Dekoni. Grab some Dekoni Bulletz and never hear the nagging of your loved ones again. Grab some Dekoni Bulletz and never hear the nagging of your loved ones again. Kony.
Dekoni.
That's what I'm saying. Dekoni.
You got it. One more time.
Okay.
Dekoni.
Grab some Dekoni Bulletz and never hear the nagging of your loved ones again. It's cut. We're good. Cut. Perfect. Nice.